Cars Jade, the ultimate pit stop for gearheads, enthusiasts, and anyone who wants the truth behind the badge. In a world where tech-laden crossovers are rolling out faster than you can say, lane keep assist, which new and upcoming SUVs are actually engineered to last well beyond 200,000 miles? If you're tired of disposable vehicles and ready to invest in an SUV that'll stick with you through thick, thin, and family road trips to nowhere, this one's for you. Let's count down 8 new SUVs that are built to go the distance. Mile after mile, year after year. Number 8. Hyundai Palisade. Hyundai's flagship SUV might not scream legacy durability, but don't be fooled. The refreshed 2025 Palisade isn't just about a premium cabin and techie flair, it's hiding solid bones under the skin. The 3.8L V6 engine pushes 291 horsepower and is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that's shown long-term promise in the real world. Owners report minimal issues even past the 100,000-mile mark, and Hyundai's 10-year per 100,000-mile powertrain warranty doesn't just look good on paper. It's a statement of intent. Inside, you've got a 3-row layout with quilted Nappa leather and a 12.3-inch touchscreen that feels Mercedes-level without the Mercedes problems. At just under $42,000. Number 7. Toyota Grand Highlander. When Toyota puts hybrid and max in the same name, take notice. The Grand Highlander Hybrid Max is a 3-row SUV that's not only fuel efficient, boasting up to 36 mpg combined, but also durable by Toyota standards. That's a winning combo. The 2.4L turbocharged hybrid system with 362 horsepower isn't just powerful, it's engineered for the long haul. And this isn't just theory. Toyota hybrids are known to cross the 300,000-mile mark when maintained right. Add in cutting-edge Toyota safety sense, a surprisingly spacious third row, and a tech-forward cabin, and you've got a road trip champion that could outlive your kid's soccer career. Pricing starts around $55,000. Number 6. Subaru Outback Wilderness. The Outback's never tried to be flashy, but that's exactly why it's such a legend. The 2025 Outback Wilderness doubles down on durability with off-road cred and proven engineering. Powered by a 2.4L turbocharged boxer engine with 260 horsepower and standard all-wheel drive, the Wilderness model also gets upgraded suspension and skid plates. It's not just a daily driver, it's a weekend warrior that'll still show up 200,000 miles from now. Subaru's horizontally opposed engine layout has been refined for decades, and while some may knock the CVT, real-world users praise the brand's consistent drivetrain performance over time. Starting just above $41,000. Number 5. Honda Pilot Trail Sport. Forget the old Mom Mobile image. The 2025 Honda Pilot Trail Sport brings a tougher look and attitude, and most importantly, the kind of longevity Honda is legendary for. The naturally aspirated 3.5L V6 churns out 285 horsepower and mates with a 10-speed automatic transmission that's smooth and proven. The all-wheel drive Trail Sport adds steel skid plates and all-terrain tires, making it more rugged than any Pilot before. But what really makes the Pilot a long-haul winner? Simple, overbuilt engineering. Honda keeps things elegant and clean. Fewer gimmicks, more go. It starts around $48,000. Number 4. Lexus GX 550. Luxury and durability don't often go hand in hand, except when it's Lexus. The all-new 2025 GX 550 marks a complete redesign of the legendary SUV, and yes, it's still body-on-frame. Powered by a 3.4L twin-turbo V6 making 349 horsepower, this SUV blends modern torque with traditional toughness. Its Land Cruiser DNA runs deep, and Toyota's conservative, overbuilt engineering is everywhere here. Interior, all luxury. Think 14-inch touchscreen, buttery leather, and Toyota's latest safety tech. But the chassis and drivetrain? Built like a tank. Expect prices north of $70,000, but that's still a bargain when you consider that used GX models are still fetching big bucks at 200,000 plus miles. Number 3. Toyota 4Runner. Let's be honest, we've all been waiting for this one. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner has finally been redesigned, and it still promises the bulletproof nature the name is known for. Built on the TNGA-F platform shared with the Tundra and Land Cruiser, the new 4Runner now uses the 2.4L Turbo 4 Hybrid, iForce Max. But don't worry. This setup has proven stout in other models and delivers 326 horsepower and 465 lb-ft of torque. Expect the same rock-solid off-road chops, but now with improved fuel economy and tech. And yes, it still looks ready to eat trails for breakfast. With pricing expected in the $45,000 to $55,000 range depending on trim, the new 4Runner brings a fresh face to a name that's synonymous with 300,000-mile resilience. Number 2. Mazda CX-70. This one might surprise you, but hear us out. The Mazda CX-70, especially in its plug-in hybrid variant, is poised to be one of the most mechanically balanced SUVs on the market. Mazda's focus on driving purity is paired with Toyota-sourced hybrid tech in the PHEV version, offering a perfect blend of performance and longevity. The 2.5L four-cylinder with electric assist puts out around 323 horsepower and can go up to 26 miles all-electric. What stands out, though, is the CX-70's driving dynamics. It's rear-wheel drive based, rare in this segment, and built with the kind of engineering restraint that avoids overcomplication. Priced around $48,000 to $55,000. Number 1. Toyota Land Cruiser. Of course, the king is back, and it's better than ever. The all-new 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser is smaller, lighter, more efficient, and still built with the DNA of legends. Gone is the thirsty V8, now replaced with the iForce Max 2.4L Turbo Hybrid pushing 326 horsepower and 465 lb-ft of torque. But that doesn't mean it's gone soft. This is still a body-on-frame SUV with serious trail cred, locking differentials, and a heritage that literally spans decades of 300,000+ mile examples. It's also more affordable now, with pricing starting around $55,000. There's a lot of noise in the SUV world today. Touchscreen fads, software bloat, and fragile tech that doesn't age well. But if you're the kind of buyer who values real-world dependability, not just flashy features, these 8 SUVs prove that longevity isn't a thing of the past. You just need to know where to look. That's a wrap on today's deep dive from Cars Jade. If you're as passionate about cars that actually last as we are, hit that like, drop a comment about your high mileage hero, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a ride worth knowing about.